And it goes a little something like.
It's moving day. I'm so excited. Right now it's 6:54 because me and my roommate actually have a wedding first. So yeah, let me get ready for that. So early. Ready for the wedding. Okay, this is what it's looking like the morning of. For moving day. Okay, this is the living room. And then my room. I pulled the drawers out. Well, some of them. I'm throwing that away. Bringing that. Taking these. Oh my god, this. Empty. It's so empty in here. It literally echoes. But yeah, I'm all ready for our wedding that we have to go to first. Okay. I'm going. Is it this one? It's this one. Okay. How does it look? Oh, it is backwards. Wait, hold on. We do. When we do a thing. Oh my god. Let's see. Okay guys, I'm so excited. If you saw my moving, our apartment, what is it called? My apartment, empty apartment looking, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but you know. This is the one we chose. So excited. Let me see my bathroom. This is my bathroom. And then it has a medicine cabinet, sink, shower. Yeah. And then my room goes right into here. And there's 2 closets. So I'm gonna do like pants and sweatshirts and stuff, and then my room. Oh, you came in that way? Okay guys, I packed my car as much as I could, and then we have the truck, which we are pulling up now. Hold on. It has been a shit show of a morning so far. Stay updated. I'll just vlog for right now, an update on what it's looking like. I know, this is where Bentley is right now. Sorry, Bean. Sorry. Hold your chairs. Okay, I think I'll put it here. There's still a lot of boxes, so it's fine. I know. That's okay, you can still see. Just an update.
Yeah, you have room to back it up. Once the boxes are gone, you have a lot more room.
I think my wallet's in the car, actually.
I at least like set up my bed on the floor so that we can sleep on it. And then I have all my stuff right here. And the living room and kitchen are such a mess. It's like, we're not even going there until tomorrow. Damn, I'm so tired. You underestimate how hard moving is. Look at my eyes. Oh my god. And look at Bentley. So tired. On to day 2 tomorrow. I'm just gonna show my shirts and paints. Okay. Update. What's your Benny? Bathroom. Still a shit show. Got this hung. Cute. Got that kind of. Got this. Yeah. Update. Still looking crazy. Yeah. You said Benny.
Yeah. So should we put organize your living room?
Yeah, I want Bentley to not feel scared.
Yeah. That's 26.
Time for a mattress?
26. So?
Okay. My room's cute. Yeah, okay, update on the living room. I'm putting this in my vlog. Okay. Looks good. Rotated the couch. Alright. Okay, before I end the first moving vlog, I just want to show an update of what it's looking like. It's now Wednesday, so everything is kind of moved in. And I just wanted to like show you how we set everything up. We still have this. We still have a couple things like we're not sure what to do with. But here's the kitchen. Wine cart. We still have some boxes, but dining. And yeah, living room. So stay tuned for the next vlog. And if you guys like this one, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.